Hello everybody and welcome to Scratch Mastery from Basics to Pro. I'm Joe and I will be your guide as we dive into the world of Scratch programming. Whether you're a complete beginner, curious about coding, or just looking to have some fun, you've come to the right place. Today we're starting with the very basics, and by the end of this video you will have created your very first Scratch project. Excited? I know I am. Let's jump straight in. First things first. What is Scratch? Well, Scratch is a super fun, super colourful and super easy to use programming platform where creativity meets code. You can use Scratch to create stories, games, animations and so much more. Imagine telling a story where your characters actually move, talk and interact. How cool is that? And the best part, you don't need to know anything about programming to get started. To begin, open up your browser and head over to scratch.mit.edu. This is where all the Scratch magic happens. So if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, no worries. You can start creating right away without signing up. Just click the big Create button at the top and let's dive into the Scratch editor. Welcome to the Scratch editor. This is your new playground and it's where all of your ideas come to life. Let me show you around. Over here on the left, we have the blocks palette. This is where you'll find all the blocks. Think of them as puzzle pieces that fit together and create code. In the middle, we have the scripting area. This is where you'll snap those blocks together to make your code. It's like building with Lego, but for example, it's programming. Now on the right side, we have the stage. This is where all of the action happens. It's like a stage of a play where your sprites perform. Speaking of sprites, down here in the sprite panel, you'll manage the characters and objects inside of your project. Right now, you'll see the default sprite, our friend Scratch the Cat. Alright, it's time to make some magic happen. Let's make Scratch the Cat move across the stage. To make the cat move, we firstly have to click on the cat sprite in the sprite panel to select it. This tells Scratch, hey, I want to work with this sprite. Next, head over to the blocks palette on the left and click on the blue motion category. You'll see a bunch of blue blocks pop up. These are all of the motion blocks. Find the block labeled Move 10 Steps. Click and drag it into the scripting area. Now watch this. If you click on this block, the cat moves. How simple and amazing is that? It's amazing, sure, but clicking the block every time is not that much fun. Let's make it interactive. Go to the yellow events category and drag the block when green flag clicked and snap it on top of the Move 10 Steps block. Now, every time that we click the green flag above the stage, the cat moves. Let's try it. That's awesome, but let's make the cat move even more. To make the cat move multiple times, we need a loop. Loops repeat actions so you don't have to do them over and over again. Click on the orange control category and find the repeat 10 block. Drag it into the scripting area and wrap it around the Move 10 Steps block. Now click the green flag again and watch the cat go. Let's give our cat a cool place to explore. Right now, the stage is just a plain white. Boring, isn't it? Let's spice it up. Down at the bottom right corner, you'll see a button that says Choose a Backdrop. Click on that and you'll see a ton of options. I'm going to pick the blue sky backdrop. You can pick whichever one you like. Once you select it, it'll appear on the stage behind the cat, and doesn't that look so much better? Now our project is really coming to life. Now that you've created your first Scratch project, you'll want to save it so you can show it off to your friends and family. Here's how to do it. Click on File in the top left corner. If you're logged in, select Save Now. If you're not logged in, choose Download to your computer. And that's it. You've officially created your first Scratch project. Today you have learned how to navigate the Scratch interface and make the cat move. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. And in the next episode, we'll dive into animations and create an entire scene. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share your projects in the comments below, and I'd love to see what you've created. Until next time, everyone, keep scratching and keep creating.